Good morning. We are on site at Anchor Street this morning. We've got a meeting with Network Rail, the contractor and our contract administrator. One of the things we're going through today is the method statements that we need to submit to discharge the planning conditions at the back of Anchor Street. So you can see here we're in what will become the amenity space. So a lot of this bit of the building will come down, be demolished, and we'll end up with a garden out the front here. And what we're going through today is how we safely do that with the scaffolding and ongoing security and boundary fencing, because as you can see at the top here runs a railway line all the way along the edge of the building. So we've already had to have an acoustic report to design the windows to ensure that residents aren't interrupted too much by passing trains. So we've had to have a noise survey, an acoustician design the windows, and then today is all about safety. So how do we secure this boundary fencing, and then during the construction phase, what's the method statement, and how are we going to keep everybody safe from both material and hazards going from the building towards the railway line, but also from Network Rail's point of view, how do they make sure that our construction workers are safe, that things aren't going to be flicked down from the railway line, which is about probably 1.5 to 2 meters above ground level for our building. So there you go, all these things that need to go on before we even get a spade on site. Very interesting, and they've been very helpful. We should be in a position now where we end up with the report to go back to the planners to discharge all the conditions, ideally done by the first week of May next week, and then all of that will go, and then we can get on with actually starting the construction of this project. So check in the future for more updates.